Minister in charge of District Council Affairs Lakshman Rimbai said there is no decision to change the notification of extending the Crpc and CPC to the courts in Meghalaya. Rimbai told reporters that Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has called for a series of meetings to discuss the matter following opposition from the ADCs. On the KHADC decision to continue opposing the notification as it fails to exempt the District Council courts despite government's assurance that the same will not dilute their powers, Rimbai said that the cabinet has already taken a decision and notification has come out, so it is not for him to see how the notification could be changed.
The government in series of meetings we have had, and lastly they have taken this decision, and after that if KHADC is not happy, so let's see what the honorable Chief Minister, because since I have not met him, so I cannot speak what is the view of the government in totality.
Holy Child Higher Secondary School, Shillong.